and welcome to this week's Intivix Office 365 tips and tricks. My name is Brandy, and today I will be walking you through how to create a Skype for Business meeting invitation and how to preload meeting attachments with just a few clicks. You will need to make sure that you're in your Outlook calendar. In the Home ribbon, rather than clicking on New Appointment or New Meeting, click New Skype Meeting. You will notice Outlook automatically loads a Join Skype meeting link below. This is the link that your attendees will click on when it's time to join the meeting. Skype for Business has additional features for additional licensing. For example, join by phone with a dial-in number. This will allow your attendees to call in should they not be able to join via the link. This means if they're in commute and they have their mobile but they can't use their laptop or tablet. Please keep in mind that when you do join by dial-in, it may be difficult to follow along during a presentation. Okay, so now we're going to add our attendees, our subject, date, and time, as well as the body of our email as we normally would. Now that I have completed these steps, I'm going to double check all of the information and make sure it's accurate. I have my attendee, my subject, my locations automatically defaulting to Skype for Business, and I double checked my start times and my end times. As you may be aware, Outlook 2016 keeps record of recent documents, so when you need to attach a file, you won't have to search for it. And this works out great because I want to preload a meeting attachment so that Jennifer may review it ahead of time. Simply go to your Insert tab, click Attach File, and from the drop-down menu, locate the file you want to attach and click on it. And there you have it. Now you know how to easily create a Skype meeting invitation and preload attachments. Thank you for listening, and I look forward to speaking with you again next week.